Hi, I am Krisha Shrestha, level 6 student of the British College. This is my submission of second component of Advanced Software Engineering module. As you can see, I have already filled up most of the form. Let's start with the documentation. This is my documentation that I hosted through GitHub. I have already provided the GitHub link for my documentation. I have currently 61 commits. My README file is all updated, as you can see. Moving on to use of interfaces. Interfaces to be used for all classes where appropriate. Let's go to the app canvas class. You can see that I have implemented the iCanvas class here. The iCanvas encapsulates the functionality for drawing in 2D canvas. We can perform basic drawing operations like circle, rectangle, triangle, etc. For the unit tests for all my classes show in your code. As you can see here, I have unit tests for all of my classes. I have also provided all of the XML documentation in all of my classes, and all of my unit tests has run successfully. As you can see, all of this has green tick. Let's wait for a while. So as you can see, my build is successful. Design pattern. Factory design pattern used for command generation. Show it in your code and explain how it works. So let's go to the all commands class. Here in all command class, the make command method is the key element of the factory pattern. It creates and returns different command object based on the input string. For example, if the command string is circle, it creates and returns a make circle command. And similarly for other command strings, this approach abstracts the process of object creation, enabling the system to generate the appropriate command projects without knowing the exact class of the object. Additional design patterns show any other design patterns and explain what they are. I have used command design pattern in quite a lot of my classes. Let me show you one of the classes. So here in clear, this class implements the command pattern by encapsulating the operation of clearing the canvas into an object. This class exposes an execute method, as you can see here, execute method that performs the action of clearing the canvas. By using this pattern, the clear command can be treated as an object, making it easier to manage and execute, especially when different commands are handled in unified manner. Implementation detail. Before moving on, show that you've got the latest BOOSE DLL library installed here. Let me run this. As you can see here, I have BOOSE version 1.1, which is the latest version of the BOOSE. So moving on to the variables. Replace in class read running. Alright, let's go to the one unrestricted ints.BOOSE. BOOSE examples. Here, I think this is the one. Right, let's copy this and paste it over here. This is my output. Let's reset it for another program. Moving on to also I have already provided all the GitHub image links as well. One unrestricted reals. I think this is the one. Let's copy this and paste it over here. This is my output. Let's close it. Another is one unrestricted ARRAYS.BOOSE. So I think this is the one, right? Let's copy this. Let's run it here. This is my output. Let's close it. Now, if, while, and for. While it's working unrestricted, show it running. One unrestricted while.BOOSE. This is restricted. This is unrestricted. Let's copy this. So here you might get a warning. So here, this is my output. It's giving the warning the circle with the radius 1 of 5 cannot fit within the canvas dimensions. It's the dimensions problem, so it's throwing the exception here. Time for one unrestricted force. .BOOSE. Let's copy this. and paste it over here. Okay, this is my output. And now time for one unrestricted if. Unrestricted ifs.boose. Let's copy this and paste it over here. This is my if. Now it's giving warning that circle with radius 100 cannot fit within the canvas dimensions. So for that, let's first reset the canvas and add move to 100, 100. And then paste the program. Here is my output. It won't give me the warning because it fits the dimensions. Let's close this. Unfortunately, my else condition does not work, so I have clicked here no. Now time for the methods. Oh, sorry, I opened the wrong one. Let's copy this and paste it over here. This is my output of the method. Let's take the screenshot first. I have not kept this image yet, so moving on to, have you done anything that is additional and substantial? This is not more than same but something challenging, such as we present a different type of output or added other BOOSE commands that do something programming, not other graphical shapes, etc. Replace parser. So I don't know if it counts as extra work, but I do have a class called color which colors the certain tips. Let me show you an example of it. So if I do move to 100, 100, and then tri as in like triangle, short for triangle. So if I do 50, 50, and I choose a paint color, paint color 123, 145, 167, and then I write color true, then you can see it colors the triangle. So I think this is the only extra work I have. I don't know if it counts. So this is it. Thank you very much. I will submit the form now.